Hey guys, I'm back with another wig review. This company named Human Hair Wigs For Me sent me a wig. I didn't even open the box yet, so we're gonna open it in one camera and see everything that came in the box. The box is nice, you know, they showcase all the wigs that they have on the website. So, with your wigs, you get some makeup brushes. You get a headband, and of course you get your wig. So this, what I was told was that this is a 10-inch, 13 by 4 wig. It's human hair. I'll put all the specs down below in the description box. But off the bat, the hair is given the bob moves. You guys know the weather's starting to warm up, so I'm about to start doing all short styles, all summer styles, color. We're about to do it up real nice. But first things first, I'm going to bleach the knots. I see it from the rip, it needs bleaching, but other than that, the hair feels really nice. It's thick. And she has movement. So yeah, let's get started on doing this wig. Okay, here I'm just showing you guys that I bleached the knots. I use Punky Color, the lightest and brightest powder bleach, and Clairol 30 volume developer. Alright, and we're gonna start off bald and beautiful as always. And this is just me showing you the wig. I added a skunk stripe. And I also went in with Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray before I blow dried the hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Bold Hold Active. And we're gonna add 2 coats just for that extra security. And then I'm going to go in with my Fit Me pressed powder and just rub it all into the lace just to give it a more seamless look. It's something about the way you stare into my... Okay, now I'm just going to line it up with the glue. This wig had a widow's peak, so it worked perfectly for my head because I have a widow's peak. But there you just see me trying to line it up. I'm looking into the mirror if you guys didn't notice. And I know I look crazy right now, but I need you guys to just trust the process. Trust the process. We're gonna get there. Okay, so now I'm going to use a hot comb just to push back the hair so I can cut the lace and I won't cut any pieces of hair. And then I'm going to attach the headband just so I can give the glue enough time to dry, make sure everything is just secure. Alright, so after the glue dried, I'm going to go in with my Cantu Flaxseed Wax Stick and just hit the perimeter. And go right in with the hot comb. now I'm going to use my EBN spray and just spray the perimeter around, because I like my wigs to be stuck. And then we're going to put the headband on once again, just so the EBN spray can dry. Now we're taking the headband off, and I'm just going to hit the perimeter with the blow dryer one last time. And now I'm going to go cut the ear tabs and cut the lace. And I'll be right back. Okay, so the lace is cut, and we're going to go back in with the EBN spray. I told y'all I like my wigs stuck, honey. And then we're going to go in with the headband one more time. And we're going to blow dry this time. I don't have time to wait, so... I'm going to take the headband off, and then I'm going to go in and do my baby hairs. So we're going to take the hairs out for the baby hairs. Boom, hairs out. And now I'm going back in with the hot comb just to make sure that the hair is out the way, so when I cut the baby hairs, I won't end up cutting my hair. I just wanna get away, just stay right next to you. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, I want you security, I put the hair back in the ponytail as I cut the baby hairs, and you want to cut it in a diagonal direction. Shortest pieces being to the top, longest being to the ends. Alright, and then we're going to go in with the flat iron and curl the front baby hairs upwards and then the sideburns downwards. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with my EBN edge control and just slick them down for the most part, just to get them down. And now I'm going to go off frame and finish the rest of my baby hairs. Alright, we're back. Baby hairs are done. And I'm going to go in with the EBN spray just to get those baby hairs firm, because I like my baby hairs to last for at least a couple days. But with you using the EBN edge control, it's not going to make your baby hairs hard. Alright. And I was going to use the elastic band, but it was gonna move my baby hairs to the left, right, up, and down, and I don't have time to do them over, so I'm just gonna use something cotton. And now we're gonna blow dry the product so it can dry quicker. And while the edges are sitting wrapped up, I'm going to flat iron the wig. Bam, we're back. The wig is flat ironed. Right now, if you could tell by my face, I wasn't feeling it. But like I said, just trust the process. Just trust the process, because I wasn't even trusting the process. Okay. And this is how she looks. Giving very much, can I speak to the manager? But now I'm going back in with my EBN edge control, and I'm just hitting the perimeter. Because to me, your wig has to be flat on the sides and on the part. I know you probably can't see it, but the wig had like a million flyaways, so that's why I went back in with the edge control. 1, to make it more flatter, and 2, to get those flyaways out. I'm back. I'm finally finished the wig. I kind of have it in this cute little flip type moment here. I would like it if it was a little shorter. I might end up cutting it tomorrow, who knows. But yeah, I'm about to go do my makeup, and then I'll come back and I'll give you all the tea on this wig. Okay, I'm back with my makeup done. So now let's get into this wig. If you could tell from the video, like, I had to keep leaving the frame. Like, the synthetic wig, I didn't have to leave the frame as much, so that just says everything that needs to be said. Now, don't get me wrong, she's moving, she has movement, she's a good wig, but it was just, and you could kind of see them, it was just really the flyaways that was getting on my nerves with this wig. Other than that, it was pretty, like, the install's pretty decent, you know what I mean? The only problem that I had, the second problem that I had, there's only 2 problems with this wig. I'm gonna probably have to go in and bleach the knots again, because for some reason, the hair dyed way quicker than the knots. And I don't even think, yeah, I don't even know what's up with that, but either way, it still came out cute. I'm still gonna wear it because I have somewhere to go tomorrow. But yeah, she still looks good. She's giving. It's giving rich auntie. Can I speak to your manager? I need to speak to the supervisor. Who's the supervisor on the shift? It's giving one of them. And don't ask me why I flipped this up. Like, it was just dumb long. And plus, I always do my side part bangs like this. Like when I have a bob, So she passed in the movement test. But I can say this wig is kind of for beginners, but it's just like this. It could have just been me recording and trying to do my wig like in front of this little setup here. But baby, she put me through in high waters. But it came out pretty nice. She came out nice. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you had a laugh. Comment your favorite part of the video, and comment what else you want me to do. Like, what content do you want to see on my channel other than hair, try on hauls? Like, do you guys want to see some vlogs? Do you guys want to see a little bit of this, a little bit of that? I'm signing off. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And see you later.